Okay, let's take a step back, way back, to where numbers really begin. Whole numbers are like the ABCs of math, just without the A, B, or C. If it's a number, and it doesn't have any decimals or fractions, boom, it's probably a whole number. They're clean, simple, and super useful when we count stuff like cookies, planets, or how many times your cat ignores you. Technically, whole numbers start from 0 and go up forever. But wait, some people say 0 doesn't count as a counting number. Huh? Here's the deal. Counting numbers start at 1. Whole numbers include 0. And that's what makes them whole. So next time someone says, start from 0, you'll know they're speaking math truth. Next up, we'll talk about integers, and how are they different from the previous types of numbers. Click, like, share, and subscribe for more videos.